for the sign of Libra. All that I need to know moving forward. Okay, so let's see what is to come for you for the next 7 days. Let's take 3 cards for you and then we move to your person and then the connection. Okay, so we have the Star in the reverse, which speaks about many of you guys haven't completely healed from what you guys have been through. You may think that you have healed, you may think that you are ready for something new or moving in a certain direction, but you are not. Okay, in the recent past, or maybe yesterday, a couple of days back, someone from the past could have reached out or they are planning to reach out. You may have noticed that if someone had blocked you or if someone had not been talking to you, someone is kind of looking forward to it. So someone could have unblocked you, or someone could have sent you a friend request, or just like Snapchat sorry, on Snapchat someone could have sent you a message or something. But something definitely has happened. Okay, one more card. What is going on with Libra now? With Judgment card, darling, you have to make a decision. Maybe for selected few of you, just maybe that a past person may want a second chance and you may not know whether you should give them a second chance or not. But I definitely feel whosoever you are connected with or work connected with, you do not feel like this is something that you should consider because you don't trust that person. The Star in the reverse, you have lost faith in this connection. You may still have feelings, but having feelings is not everything. You need to be at peace with the connection with the person before saying yes to them, or before choosing to get back with them. It's a process, and it's very difficult to get back with someone who could have done you wrong in the past, or cheated, or lied, or left you without a closure. And it's difficult to to get back with that person. And I believe for many of you, with the Judgment card here, you guys could be having to make a decision. If it is not about the connection, then some of you have to decide of forcing yourself to move out of a connection that is draining you. There is a connection in your life which is actively draining you. Okay, you have to decide to quit from it or walk away from it. Okay, one more card. What is to come for Libra for the next couple of days, please? With Page of Pentacles, some of you might be starting something new. Okay, I do not feel this is about business. This could be you guys could be deciding of talking to a new individual altogether. Okay, some of you guys might have decided of dropping someone and moving towards something new in your life or someone new in your life. So I do see that interest of wanting to message someone or talk to someone. Okay, now coming back to your person, Libra soulmate, what are they going through, Spirit? Okay, why is the Ten of Cups here? How I think about Libra now? Okay, so this person, whosoever you are connected with, is definitely thinking about you. Okay, with Eight of Pentacles here, this person could also be trying to work things out with you, or have been trying to work things out with you. But I do feel someone is trying to reach out. Okay, one more card in terms of what's their plan with this connection? What's their plan with this connection, Spirit? Eight of Pentacles usually means that someone wants to put in work. Okay, so I believe they are definitely stuck on you with the Hanged Man here. Okay, they may take more time than usual to put in that necessary effort. Even if they communicate with you, even if they message you, they might not take the necessary action to fix things or get back. But I do feel this person wants to. Okay, one more card in terms of how do they view Libra now? How do they truly view Libra, Spirit? They view you as someone who they walked away from, who they possibly gave up on. Okay, and they could not give up. They could not completely 100% walk away from you. Okay, with eight of Swords, they find themselves stuck. Okay, one card for what's their energy like towards Libra now? What's their energy like towards Libra, please? With Temperance card, this person wants to fix things with you now. Clear? Okay, and with eight of wands, I believe they have messaged you already, or they could have reached out, or they will reach out. Okay, I can promise you this much, that at least 60% of you will get communication by this week. Okay, so with temperance card here, I definitely see this person wanting to get back on the same page as you. Okay, they might take more time than usual to put in that necessary effort, but communication is definitely coming in, no doubt. Okay, one card for their feelings towards you now. Libra soulmates feelings towards Libra, please. Okay, with the Fool card here, this person definitely wants to take that leap of faith towards they definitely want to try one more time. Okay, in the past, if they were too focused on their on their job or their career or their family life, I see them this time wanting to take a shot towards you. Okay, one more card in terms of their intentions. What are their intentions towards Libra, please? Intention, just like I told you, I see a very much a playful energy coming from their side. So this person might flirt with you, or they could have already started flirting with you. And I see this person wanting to make a move towards you. In the past, with Seven of Wands, they were kind of setting boundaries. They were not letting you in completely. They were very in and out of your life. So yes, in terms of what's going on in their heart space, Spirit, what's really happening in their heart space. In their heart space, we have Two of Cups. So in their heart space, they know that they could not drop you. Okay, they could not walk away from you. They could not choose someone better than you. They could not get someone better than you. Okay, and I believe with Two of Pentacles in the reverse here, this person is a very stubborn individual. They very much resist from changing themselves to fit in this connection. Okay, and I believe they are part narcissist. Okay, where someone doesn't feel like they should change in order to possibly be in a connection or be a part of something, because they feel like they are perfect. No one is perfect in today's world. Okay, sometimes we do have our positives and our negatives, and if we have to drop our negatives in order to be a part of something that could get somewhere, we should. Okay, unless someone is trying to force us to completely change 100%, that is difficult. But if someone wants you to drop something that is really bad, or something that is really negative, there's no harm in that. The person could be changing you for the better. Okay, one more card in terms of their hate space, where what's happening. Libra soulmates hate space. This person wants you 100%. Okay, and this reading has just changed 360. It's like your person from wanting to set boundaries to just wanting to madly approach you, put in that necessary communication to get back to possibly be on the same page as you, to discuss life with you. Lots of things happening. So they have already decided of coming forward. Okay, so you can expect them in like anytime soon. Okay, one more card in terms of the blockages. What could be getting in the way? Spirit, give me two cards for that, please. What could be getting in the way is Five of Cups. Someone hasn't apologized for the past actions. Someone could be still focused on the past. It could be you that is focused on the past, like what all happened from their side. I believe this person did not necessarily apologize, or has no uh, like pattern of apologizing. They just come, they just shower their attention to you, and that's how they want to get back. Okay, so that necessarily might not be the uh, thing that you look forward to. Okay, one more card. What else could be getting in the way? With Ace of Cups, someone has to open up, and if someone doesn't open up, it goes back to square one. Okay, so with Ace of Cups, someone has to open up. Okay, they have to open up that the feelings that they have, and they shouldn't be acting like a bitch. That is the King of Swords. King of Swords is a very kind of a heartless person, where they are all living in the practical, like with a practical mindset, where they are all black and white mentality, where black is wrong and white is right, kind of a like situation. They do not live in a colorful world. Okay, even if I'm a air sign, I'm quite colorful. Okay, the way I see life and the way I want to live my life, it's not like black and white. I want to live a colorful life. Likewise, I believe your person is very restricted as to how they come off towards you, how they present themselves, or how they really reply to your messages or your text. Okay, so I believe with Ace of Cups, for selected few of you, your person could have focused on someone new, okay, someone else in their life who they were giving, not like possibly invested, and it did not go their way. So it might take some time for them to possibly to come to terms with that and make a move towards you. Okay, so I do believe like they are completely focused on you. There's no third party interference, at least I don't see any. Okay, with Ace of Cups, someone has to open up their feelings. If they do not, it's going to go back to King of Swords. That is the old shit. Okay, so yeah, one more card in terms of how do they view the connection, how do they really view the connection. With Four of Pentacles, they believe like you guys are both holding on to each other, but nobody is saying shit. Okay, it's like deep down they know that you haven't completely moved on, or you haven't completely let go of the connection. You're still holding on, they are still holding on, but no one is speaking shit. Okay, so both are scared of heartbreak, maybe, I do not know. Okay, one more card in terms of how do they view the connection. One more card I see is Five of Swords. So it's the pride that could be getting in the way. Why should I reach out? What have I done wrong to reach out? Let them reach out this time. And that sort of mentality is still getting in the way. Okay. So one card of advice for Libras moving forward, please. We have Seven of Swords. Stop being someone you're not. Okay, if you are just pretending to not give a fuck, if you're just pretending to be someone you're not, if you're just pretending to have another relationship in your life just to get someone jealous, if you're just pretending to be focused on something else to just make someone feel in a certain way, do not be your honest self. Okay, one more card, face your truth, face your like whatever person I believe you are connected with, they are still in their ego, but I do see or sense them wanting to keep themselves open now. How they might come forward, they might come forward friendly, but then it might turn into flirting, and then they might just try to hang like around more with you, like dating and all that shit. Okay, so one more card for now. Where do you see this going? For now, where do you see this connection going? I I believe some of you Libras are possibly resisting them or running away from them. If you resist them, it's possibly going to go nowhere, right? For now, to be very honest, I believe that Libra is kind of a little restricted. It's not like they are not wanting it. They just don't trust the other person. That is, you don't trust your person. That is why you are not being able to come to a decision. Okay, till the 20th of the month. Where is this connection going, Spirit? The 20th of the month. With King of Pentacles, I believe it has the potential of going towards that stability, towards not getting into commitment. But I do feel you guys will possibly spend time together. It's going to be two people coming back together. Regarded you stay open, I believe you're the one who's getting in the way with your restrictions. No doubt you have your fears, for what all this person has made you go through. Okay, so what should you acknowledge in this connection? With Queen of Pentacles, do what you like what your heart tells you. Okay, if you feel like this is your person who you could move towards commitment, or you could possibly like want to want to take things forward in the future, then you should work on this. Okay, I believe deep down you still care for this person. You'll be lying to yourself, and I know plenty of people type shit like, I have moved on, I don't give a fuck about that person. If you didn't give a fuck about that person, you wouldn't have written that down. You would have been enjoying your life, listening to some music or something, not really watching a tarot. Okay, so one more card for what do they want from you now? What does this person want from Libra? For now, this person wants you to pay attention for sure. They don't want you to ignore them. Okay, one more card. What do they have to offer? However, what does this person have to offer? They are definitely wanting to partner up. Okay, they'll definitely want to put in that work effort. They definitely are coming forward. So I do see a lot of attention coming your way. I also see this person wanting to invest time into this connection. Okay, so let's take spirit messages. What all you need to know about your person moving forward? Give me two cards, spirit. Just regrets hurting you. One message. Then we have uh, they want you to approach, call them, or waiting. Okay, and second last we have here is real love. Don't doubt. Okay, this is real love. Don't doubt. But both are waiting on the other person to approach first. Okay, last we have here. But I still feel that, I mean, there are a lot of ways. I mean, like a lot of things that could be still getting in your way. Okay, one is your fear of this person, repeating the past pattern. Okay, I'm guilty for hurting you, so it's the same message, to be honest. I'm guilty for hurting you. Can't face you. So for some of you, this person could have dropped you and chosen some other connection, and now they can't face you completely. So even if they message you, they just message you. They don't have the guts to face you. Okay, so yes, that this is all I have for you. I was a little breathless in the reading. I'm really sorry for that. So yeah, if it resonated, do not forget to hit the like button, because that's how you support the channel. If you want a personal reading, please do reach out. We have our discount set up. I believe almost $5 cut off every reading. I've also have a new reading to kind of determine or to give you an idea if this person is a twin flame, past life, soulmate. I'll give you an idea. Nobody can be 100% accurate, but from, if you trust me and if you trust my cards, I can give you an idea as to why you met this person, the purpose, where things are going with them, and what could happen. So that there's the special read I've just introduced. Okay, why have I met this person? So yes, if you want that, please do buy one, and we could work things out. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Cheers.